Aldi Harvest Morn crisp cereal in chocolate flavour. I definitely recommend it. Sorry mum that I'm talking with a mouthful. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I'm whispering because everyone in the house is currently asleep and my daughter sleeps just above me. It's 5 to 6 and I'm going to head into the Peak District this morning and we're going to go up to Winnats Pass, then we're going to go to the Derwent Dam and then Lady Barra to see the plugs because it's been raining a lot. There's a lot of water in the Peak District in a minute, so hopefully it should be great fun. And I'm meeting my good friend Danny from Danny Explores, so come along for the ride. Hey, an LED flash. Let's go. Let's go.
Can I get a choco fudge latte, please?
Yeah. Is that everything?
That's it. Thank you.
That's great. Just see you next window.
Cheers. Thank you very much.
There you are.
That's gone. Thank you very much. Cheers. Arrived at Winnats Pass. It's more like Windy Pass. It's very windy and you probably can't hear me at all. So it's just 7:30 and I'm making my way across the footpath to meet Danny. Hopefully it's the right one. He sent me his location on WhatsApp, but the signal around here isn't great. It was very clear to drive on the way here, and then we've just hit fog in like the last half a mile. So hopefully the fog clears a little bit because it was looking really good until the last 2 or 3 minutes before I parked the car. So let's see how we are today. So I've probably come about 10 minutes over the field and I've just made my way. So I think it's hopefully the last gate. There she is, Winnats Pass. The man, the myth, the legend.
Welcome.
Welcome to Winnats Pass. How you doing, mate?
You?
We're not the first ones here. Better try and get a good vantage point without getting blown off the edge.
When you talk about how you can say, Danny brought us an espresso.
These baby cups. It's like Yorkshire.
Big cup, so to speak.
So Danny bought a flask, which is very good to him, so we're enjoying our brew with this view. Proper windy up here, but the view is epic. It's just gone 8:30, so an hour ago. And just look how much the weather's changed. It was foggy and dark an hour ago. So where are we going to next, Danny?
We're going to the Derwent Dam.
And how far is it from here?
17 minutes.
So 17 minutes from Castleton to Derwent Dam. Cool, home of the Dam Busters. The car park is quite tight and it's quite busy considering it's only about 9 o'clock and we're right next to the river.
Derwent Dam. There you go. And if you didn't know, this is a toad. This one here, yes, a toad. And this is a mouse.
A wood mouse.
A wood mouse.
Not just any old mouse, this is a wood mouse.
This is a mouse.
I'm gonna skip. Oh, look at him go. End up straight on your ass. So if you can't get onto the first car park, there is a second car park, probably about a quarter of a mile up the road. Ours is free. I'm not too sure about this one. Can't see a machine, but it's a little bit closer to the dam itself. You do have to pay, but just take cards. The dam was used by the 617 Squadron to practice the dam buster raids just before the Second World War, because the dam itself represented those in Germany. So the bombers would fly through the valley and drop bouncing bombs, or not proper bombs, onto the dam here. So the sign here says that you can't bathe or wash in the water at the bottom of the dam, and if you get caught, you'll get charged a £5. The dam was completed in 1916 and first overflowed in 1918. However, it didn't have an official opening due to the First World War. We're making the climb up the side of the dams, up these steps, to see what we can see from the top. Let's have a black pudding, Scotch egg. Danny with his pork and blue cheese sausage roll. And we're at Coleman's Deli in Hathersage. So we've just finished our morning in the Peak District. We've ended up in Hathersage for lunch. We went to a place called Coleman's Deli. I had a really, really good sausage roll and a Scotch egg, followed by a coffee. One of the top things to see in Hathersage is definitely the Lido, which is an outdoor swimming pool, which I definitely want to come back and take a dip. There was so much like steam coming off the water on a cold morning like today. So yeah, this morning we've ticked off both Winnats Pass and the dams, which I both definitely recommend a visit to. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.